Hi friends, I'm Rebecca. Welcome to Squintillions.
Have you heard about Webull? A lot of the popular financial YouTube creators seem to be promoting it in their videos. If you want 2 free stocks, open a Webull account today, link in the description below. I decided to check it out for myself, and I recorded the process of opening an account, depositing money, and getting the free stocks. Check it out!
I've downloaded the Webull app, and I'm going to open it now. And since I started on the website, I'm hoping I can get in here through the app. Tap to sign in. Here's what it looks like after I've signed in. My free stock. Let's see what happens. Open an account and deposit to get a free stock. Account opening. Webull Stock Reward Program. 0 commissions for a free stock. Make a first deposit of $100 or more, or a deposit over $2,000 to earn up to $1,500 in gift cards. I'm going to open an account, and now I get to fill in all of these details. I'm going to go through this, and because it's private, I'm going to stop the video. I've entered in my name and address and social security number, and now we are in the second part of the application where they ask for your employment status, nature of business, and employer name. The third part of this application, we're looking at the investment financial information. We're going to answer these questions. How much investment experience do you have? I'll say good. What's your overall investment objective? Mostly income. How long do you plan to invest your money? Let's do 4 to 7 years. Global stock market is often volatile. If your entire investment portfolio lost 10% of its value in a month during a market decline, what would you do? I would keep all or buy more. How important is liquidity to you? Liquidity needs refers to how important it is for you to convert assets to cash. Well, in this account, it's not really that important. This account is not so important for liquidity as I have other brokerage accounts, and I will have different plans with this one. I'm going to skip these next 3 questions on the recording. Now we're at the 4th part of the identification, and I'm going to use my driver's license here and enter the ID number. I've just uploaded a photo of my driver's license as well. And now we're on the 5th page of the application, affiliations. Are you or a family member a senior executive or 10% or greater shareholder of a publicly traded company? No. Are you a family member, a senior political figure, or politically exposed person? No. Are you or a family member employed with a member firm of a stock exchange or FINRA registered broker? No. Continue. And then you agree to this legal statement. If you want to use Webull, it looks like you need to be a U.S. citizen. I agree. I'm going to get a cash account. Those are their features. And then I'm going to continue. All the agreements and disclosures. Oh, there's so many. So I'm going to have a look at this, and then I will sign off and agree. After signing off, then you get to this email verification page. Submit that. Congratulations, application submitted for approval. New account will normally be approved within 2 to 3 business days. Once the application is approved, we will notify you with email. Complete.
Now it's time to transfer money into my Webull account.
I'm going to do ACH, free and easy, initiate transfers within the app. I click on that. I have a checking account I'm going to use. Webull ACH uses Plaid to link your bank. Secure. Transfer of your information is encrypted end-to-end. Private. Your credentials will never be made accessible to Webull ACH. And then I'm going to click on continue. And then I'm going to choose my bank and proceed from there privately. So I just connected to my bank. It had me log into my bank using my bank login name and password. And then it sent me a verification code by text, and I entered that in, and then I selected my checking account, and I put the amount that I want to transfer, which I decided would be $2,100, and I confirmed that, and then I get to this page telling me that my deposit request has been successfully received. Let's see what's going on in the menu.
I have a few messages, which I'll look at now.
I have one that says a free stock awaits you. Congratulations, you get a chance to get a free stock. Opened your account successfully. Get. I received 1 share of S, which is Sprint. The funny thing is, that is the stock that I received when I opened my Robinhood account. Invite friends, refer friend, and get 2 free stocks. Here's a look at their invite system. Every month, invite friends, and you could win the following prizes. When your invitee makes an initial deposit of any amount into their Webull brokerage account, you will receive 2 free stocks, each valued between $12 and $1,400. I will put my referral link in the description below.
Now we are looking at part of the first month's statement from January 2020 from my Webull account. After I made my initial deposit, I got a second free stock, which was Investors Bancorp, ticker ISBC, valued at $12.09. I've owned that for a year now, and I'll be selling it soon. My first 2 purchases for my Webull account were 7 shares of iShares Global REIT ETF, ticker REET, and 4 shares of the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, ticker SCHD. I chose REET because I didn't have an internationally focused REIT ETF in my overall portfolio, and this one owns quite a few popular REITs, including Prologis, Digital Realty Trust, Public Storage, Simon Property Group, Welltower, and Realty Income. I bought this REIT at a high price in January 2020. We all know what happened a couple months later, and this ETF has been slow to recover. As for SCHD, I wanted a good dividend ETF with a solid yield. This one has recovered and is still yielding just over 3%. I also like that the top holdings are spread out among companies that I don't own individually, since I'm a big fan of diversification. You'll note that my cash value was over $11,000 on this statement. That was because I had received a special offer from Webull to receive 20 free stocks for depositing more than $10,000. When I met the time limit for holding the money in my account, I pulled it back out because my savings account had made a cash bonus offer for a large deposit. I recorded some video of getting the 20 free stocks. Let's take a look. I'm in my Webull account right now, and I'm ready to look at the free stocks. So here we go. I got 1 share of VG. I don't know what VG is off the top of my head. It's going to tell me. Another share of VG. Lots of VG apparently. Okay, VG is actually Vonage Holdings, which provides cloud communication services for businesses and consumers. Watch me get a bunch of these. So $9 was the minimum amount that they were going to have for a stock, and this stock is currently valued at $9.14. So much VG. Wow, they really are all going to be VG. I was slightly disappointed that all 20 stocks were for one company and that they were worth the minimum bonus level that was promised. In the long run, I'm pleased enough with Vonage Holdings because their stock price has increased about 44% in value since I got it. If you have opened a Webull account, comment below on which free stocks you received. If you would like me to demonstrate buying or selling in the app, let me know in the comments. If you don't have a Webull account, consider using my link to open one. I haven't had many people use my affiliate links yet, so I'd be super excited to see it happen. Remember to like this video on your way out and subscribe if you would like to see more content on personal finance or personal growth here on Squintillions.